is Chy'Ann Galore with Design and Faith and more, and thank you for tuning to another video. We will be learning how to do wireframes in Illustrator. If you want to continue to see this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so open up Illustrator. We're going to create a new file. We're going to use the artboard size 1080 by 1080 pixels. And then the raster effects will be 72 ppi. Press create. Okay, so we are going to use the rectangular grid tool. Click on that. Click on the artboard. And this is the exact settings and options that you will need for this tutorial. Change this into 100. Change this number into 100 as well. Then press OK. Go to the selection tool, and we're going to scale this by holding shift and clicking and dragging. Make sure there's no fill, the stroke is black, and then 1 point for the stroke. To make sure this is in the middle, go to the alignment options like so. Make sure the grid is highlighted. Go to Object, go to Envelope Distort, and Make with Mesh. We're going to change this into 3 by 3 instead. And as you can see up here, you can always change it to 4 by 4 if you need more vertices. But for now, we're going to just use 3 by 3. Go to the direct selection tool. Click on one of the vertices. And then now you can move it freely. And now you can see the 3D effect that happens when you click on each vertice. And that's how you make a wireframe in Illustrator. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Have a blessed one, y'all. Peace.